So again, we'll use these tools to try to figure out what the Fed may do now. Again, quick reminder, you can find links also to these, the Fed rate monitoring tool and the CME FedWatch tool, under the reference links section in the links section of our home page. So again, we have our frequently used tools and resources in the links section on our home page, beachbumtrading.com. So again, you can find the links to these various tools on our home page as well. We also have videos on how you can use these tools to figure out, what the Fed may do now and or in the future. So you can hear those previous discussions on how to use these tools via the links to our links in our notes. We're also on our BeachBum Trading channel. Okay, so let's look at the Fed rate monitoring tool first. So again, you get a countdown clock of when the Fed rate decision's coming out. So you can use that to see, how long before the Fed makes their decision. Again, 97% chance now, 98% chance that in May they're going to do nothing. So as we discussed, I don't expect them to cut, don't expect them to raise. I expect them to do nothing, and that's what the market is predicting as per the Fed rate monitoring tool. For June, 89% chance, no change, 10% chance of a cut. So there's a few holdouts think they're still going to cut in June. July, got 70-30, so now we're up to 30% chance of a cut in June. September, we've got more than 50%, so 44% one cut, 12% two cuts, 42% no cut. So the majority think we'll get at least one cut in September. November, again, mostly one cut, 20% now two cuts, only 33% no change. And by December, again, 40% one cut, almost 29% two cuts, only 20% no change. So you can see now we're down from, originally the market was, overly delusional, thinking 6 to 7 cuts, even though the Fed had told us 3, but now the market is underestimating the 3, and now they're down to about 2, 1 or 2 through the end of this year. So I do think, given the high inflation, that the Fed's going to backpedal their 3. Again, we don't get another SEP decision until June, and this quarter we've again had hotter than the hotter inflation than they would like. Inflation continues to smolder. So again, I think they're going to backpedal their 3, and they may lower that projection in June. So again, now the market thinks, what may the Fed do now? Market thinks they're going to do nothing now, and the first rate cut's not expected till essentially, possibly July, but most likely September or later. So if we also look at this data in the CME FedWatch tool, again, you got a countdown clock. Scroll through the various months at the top based on the meeting date. So again, we see May, 98%, no change. June, 89%, no change, 10% one cut. July, 69%, no change, 29% one cut. September, again, 42% 43% no cuts, 44% one cut. So now, again, the probability is shifted towards September. Got 10% two cuts. November, majority of the largest percentage is one cut, 33% no cuts, 20% two cuts, so a little more distributed as of November. In December, again, 40% one, 30% two, 20% no change. So again, the market is now expecting, the first cut probably most likely to come in September. And now again, projecting, less than three cuts. There's only a very small percentage in the three cut this year camp. So they've shifted significantly. We'll see if the Fed sticks to their three rate cut previous projection. But again, I think they're going to backpedal that based on the resilient job market and the hotter than they would like inflation that we've gotten this quarter. And again, I think Powell's going to say they need more data, they need more confidence. They're in no hurry to cut rates anytime soon. They need to beat inflation. Inflation is not coming to their 2% target. Again, I think they're going to continue to state that they're sticking to their 2% target, whether they adjust in the future or not. But I think that's what they're going to say. So that's what may the Fed do now. That's what the market is expecting. Now, again, if something comes out different than expectations, the market could react, pretty significantly positively or negative. It's all going to, in my humble opinion, again, depend on what Powell says in the conference and how he answers questions on when the Fed's going to cut, how many cuts, how soon they're going to cut. Again, I think there's going to be a lot of volatility around that and a lot of questions around that focus. So our other strategies going forward on how we can make money trading in these markets. We've been talking about how to make money trading in April. So one link I added recently, since we're headed into May, is a previous video on watch out for the sell in May and go away crowd. So that video discusses, we're headed into May. Some people may be trying to front run that common adage, sell in May and go away. So they're expecting a sell off. Some people may want to try to front run that sell off and sell early. So again, if we get a more pops all-time highs in the Mag 7, you might see some significant profit taking, particularly in those high flyers, and they may try to front run this sell in May and go away theme. You can also hear our discussions on how to make money trading in April, and I also added the links to our previous videos on how to make money trading in May, and we'll probably discuss that in more detail next week, but you can access our previous videos and our thesis, don't sell in May and go away, what we think you should do instead. So you can, again, listen to all those videos and in the spring. So again, we'll probably discuss all of that in more detail tomorrow or next week. The content of this video was produced by BeachBum Trading. We hope you will choose to also join us in the BeachBum Trading community and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Visit us at our homepage at beachbumtrading.com, the bum without the U. Similarly on Twitter, BeachBum Trading, bum without the U. On Facebook and in our BeachBum Trading Facebook group. Please follow us on Pinterest and on Instagram. All of the links to our social media sites will be included in the description box below, and we hope you will choose to subscribe to our BeachBum Trading YouTube channel and follow us on social media. Thank you. We also cordially want to invite you to our new BeachBum Trading Community Discord server, where we can have discussions on all topics related to trading, success in trading, investing, etc. You can see alerts when we make trades, changes to our watch lists, etc. So again, please join us in the new BeachBum Trading Community Discord server. You should be able to find a link in the description box below. You can also find a link in the social media category on our webpage, beachbumtrading.com, without the bum without the U, and also in the link section on the About page of our YouTube channel, etc. So again, we look forward to seeing you in the BeachBum Trading Community Discord server soon. Wave and say hello. BeachBum Trading also now has a site on Patreon. If you are willing and able to help support our efforts to produce all the content and help you achieve the financial freedom you want, deserve, to be able to live the Beach Bum lifestyle or any other kind of lifestyle you would like, and you're willing and able to help support our efforts in these regards, we hope you'll choose to visit our Patreon page. You can get access to our new BeachBum Trading Community Discord server, which is currently under construction, but you will get access to the Discord server by supporting us through Patreon. Again, this is all currently under construction, but you can see we just have the default levels, membership levels, but again, each level allows support, allows access to our Discord. We're also posting our trade positions initially in our Discord, and again, we greatly appreciate any support that you're willing and able to provide. So thank you for your consideration. Another way that you can help support BeachBum Trading and being able to produce frequent quality content for you for free on YouTube, etc., is in addition to subscribing to our BeachBum Trading channel, hitting the like button on our videos, and hitting the notify so you're alerted when we release further videos. You can also choose to show your support for BeachBum Trading with a super thanks, which you can find below this video. If you hit the heart with the $sign, the super thanks, again, you can financially support BeachBum Trading in whatever amount that you wish, and we greatly appreciate your support, and that will help us, again, be able to produce frequent quality content that we can provide for you and all your fellow Beach Bum traders around the world for free on YouTube. So again, we greatly appreciate all of your support, and thank you very much. Thank you again for watching our video. We hope that you liked it. If so, please smash the like button, give us a thumbs up. If you're not already subscribed, please consider subscribing to our BeachBum Trading YouTube channel. Please share this video with your fellow traders and friends. And please give us your feedback and any recommendations for improvement in the comments section below. And let us know what else we can do to help you in your trading career. Thank you again, good luck, and have a great trading day. If you like this video, we hope you will choose to subscribe to our YouTube channel by clicking on the box in the upper left-hand corner. You can watch another video like this by clicking on the box in the lower right-hand corner. And we have a whole playlist of videos like this that you can access via the box in the upper right-hand corner. Our latest video is available in the box in the lower left-hand corner. We hope you like this and have a great day.